Hello students, as we all know we are doing tenses these days. So first of all we will revise whatever we did yesterday, then we will further move to another tenses. There are three tenses: past, present and future, and further they are classified into four types: simple, perfect, continuous and perfect continuous. So in all we have 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 tenses to study. Then coming to present simple tense. Present simple tense can be made with the help of two types of verbs. Means to be means is MR, the helping verbs, and the other verbs. Now is MR, we all know that if the subject is I, then we use M. If the subject is singular, we use is, and if the subject is plural, we use are. Fine. Now in other verbs, if the subject is singular, we use S or ES with the verb. She likes tea, right? And if it is plural, then no S or ES is added with the verb. And I and you are supposed to be plural regarding the usage of rules, right? And the helping verbs we use in this tense, present simple tense, are do and does. Do with plural subject and does with singular subject. Fine. Then we talked about the usage of this tense, where to use this tense in general truth. If we are speaking of general truth, means the universal truth. If we are talking of habits, if it is regarding future timetables, and future after when or until, right? When we use when or until, then we use present simple tense. Permanent situations for newspaper headlines with non-progressive verbs, while telling stories, for giving directions and instructions. You must remember this, we did yesterday, right? Then we went through the non-progressive verbs. What are non-progressive verbs? They are related to the mental processes, emotional states, possessions, senses, and the other states which are difficult to classify, right? For example, see, senses, right? See, I see there is a man in front of the door. This is giving you the sense of vision, right? But when these progressive, non-progressive verbs are used in progressive tenses, right, then their meanings are changed. Now see can be used like this: the doctor is seeing a patient. Seeing means meeting a patient. So the here it is not giving us the sense of vision, right? So the meaning is changed. Likewise in this sentence, what do you think he will do? Think means your opinion. What do you think he will do? But what is he thinking about? Now, what is in his mind? What is he thinking? Now, this thing and thinking meanings are changed. They don't have a car. They don't possess a car. We are having our breakfast right now. Having means eating, right? He looked tired. Have a rest for a few hours, right? Means he looked tired. He is tired. Why are you looking at me? Looking means staring at me. So whenever these non-progressive verbs are used in progressive tenses, ing wale tenses, right, then the meaning is changed. This much we did yesterday, and this is a simple chart list of non-progressive verbs: appear, care, exist, forget, hear, include, look, need, realize, seem, taste, believe, cost, expect, have, hope, know, love, own, remember, smell, understand, belong, dislike, feel, hate, imagine, like, mind, prefer, see, suppose and want. Okay, now moving further to the next tense, present continuous tense. Now present continuous tense के rules हम सबको मालूम है that we use ing with the verb and ing is always used with first form of the verb. Now because it is present continuous, then the helping verb is mr are used. Fine. If we are making an affirmative sentence, subject plus is mr plus verb की first form के साथ ing. She is cooking. If subject is I am going. They are coming. Fine. In negative, when we have this helping verb, so we don't need to add any other helping verb. In this sentence, she is not cooking. She is not cooking. They are not going. I am not coming. Interrogative sentence. Now again you have to start this sentence with the helping verb as we did in simple present tense. Is she cooking? Are they going? Am I coming? Right? Have you all understood this? Now the usage of this tense, present continuous tense. Action happening now. वो action जो अभी हो रहा है. Example, Jim is watching television at the moment. Right? So time expressions used here, now, at the moment, or you can say currently. Jim is watching television currently. Right? Second usage is temporary situations. Temporary situations means जो अभी के लिए है. These days, आजकल ऐसा हो रहा है. This is a temporary situation. I am staying with a friend for a few days. कुछ दिनों से मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ रह रहा हूँ. At the moment, these days, इस पल में जो हो रहा है. Because इस पल में हो रहा है, we are not certain कि वो आगे भी ऐसा होगा. So this is a temporary situation. These days, आजकल हो रहा है. For a few days, कुछ दिनों से. Right? Third usage is annoying habits. Annoying habits means जो हमें परेशान करती हैं habits. That child is always crying for no good reason. वो बच्चा अक्सर रोता ही रहता है. Right? Or any other example, if we take, my landlord is always shouting. Right? All the annoying habits and what we can, what time expression we can use, always, forever, constantly, लगातार ऐसा हो रहा है. अक्सर वो ऐसा ही होता है. राइट? हमेशा ऐसा हो रहा है. फॉरएवर से ऐसा ही है. चेंजिंग सिचुएशन. अब सिचुएशन जो है वो धीरे धीरे चेंज हो रही है या जल्दी से चेंज हो रही है. राइट? इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या है? हर हेल्थ इज इम्प्रूविंग बाय लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स. उसकी हेल्थ बहुत जल्दी से फास्टली इम्प्रूव कर रही है. या फिर लिटिल बाय लिटिल, धीरे धीरे, ग्रेजुअली इम्प्रूव कर रही है. बट द सिचुएशन इज चेंजिंग. राइट? Then the last one is definite future plans. Future plans है मेरे, अभी नहीं, future में करने वाला हूँ मैं, लेकिन वो definite है, मैं करूँगा ही ये. I am taking my French class on Tuesday. Tuesday को मैं अपनी French class लूँगा, मतलब मैं लेने जा रहा हूँ. Tonight, later, this weekend, these time expressions can be used, but this is a definite future plan. समझ में आ गया? आपको ये usage जितने भी है ना ये लर्न करने पड़ेंगे. Now moving to another tense, present perfect tense. Now present perfect tense, as we all know, we use has or have with the third form of the verb. Right? In affirmative sentence, we use I, subject, has or have. I के साथ क्या have लगता है? I have tried sushi before. Tried is the third form of try. Past participle means third form. Subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb, then object. Right? I have tried sushi before. She has tried sushi before. Now negative sentence, I have not tried sushi before. She has not tried sushi before. Now interrogative sentence, again we have to start the sentence with a helping verb. Have you tried sushi before? Has she tried sushi before? Understood the rules of present perfect tense? Fine, moving further. Usage. Now usage of this tense. Things you have done in your life. जो आप कर चुके हो, अभी किया है आपने, right? Things you have done. I have been to England. मैं इंग्लैंड जा चुका हूँ. Number of times you have done something. कुछ काम आपने किया, बहुत बार किया. I have been to Paris 3 times. Fine. Recently completed actions which are important now. अभी आपने actions खत्म किया, मतलब वो काम आपका अभी खत्म हो चुका है. काम खत्म हो चुका है, लेकिन उसका असर, उसकी importance आज भी है. I have already lost my job. जॉब खो चुके हो आप, लेकिन उसका असर तो आज भी है, क्योंकि आपको अभी तक कोई और जॉब नहीं मिली है. Situations that started in the past and are still true. Situations, कुछ बातें जो है पास्ट में शुरू हुई, लेकिन आज भी वो सच है, आज भी है वो, राइट. आई हैव नोन जेम्स फॉर 4 or 5 years. मैं जेम्स को जानता हूँ पिछले 4 या 5 सालों से, राइट. 4-5 साल पहले मैं उससे मिला था, तब हमारी जान पहचान हुई थी, लेकिन आज भी मैं उसे जानता हूँ. नाउ द नेक्स्ट यूसेज इज प्रेजेंट रिजल्ट, राइट. कोई भी आपने काम किया तो उससे अभी आप पर क्या असर पड़ा. जॉन हैज जस्ट मिस्ड द बस, सो ही विल बी लेट. लेट होगा वो बाद में, लेकिन अभी क्या हुआ कि जॉन हैज जस्ट मिस्ड द बस, अभी उसने बस मिस कर दी, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज अनफिनिश्ड एक्शंस और सिचुएशंस. अनफिनिश्ड एक्शंस है, एक्शंस जो है वो शुरू तो बहुत पहले से हो चुका है काम, लेकिन अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ, अभी तक कंटिन्यू है. आई हैव लिव्ड हियर सिंस 2004. मैं 2004 से यहाँ रह रहा हूँ. तो इस तरीके के यूसेज होते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस के. नाउ अगेन द एडवर्ब्स विच वी कैन यूज इन द यूसेज ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस: जस्ट, already, yet, for, since, never, ever. You have to learn these tables, right? जब तक ये टेबल्स लर्न नहीं करोगे तब तक आपको नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, आपको लर्न करना है कि कौन से टेंस का यूसेज क्या है. देखो बच्चों, ये तो आप लोग पहले से ही करते आए हो इतने सालों से कि ये रूल्स हैं उसके, चलो हैज़ लगेगा, हैव लगेगा, वो रट लिया आपने, ठीक है. लेकिन उससे क्या हुआ कि वो उन टेंसेस को आपने लर्न तो कर लिया, राइट. बहुत सारे बच्चों को लर्न भी नहीं है, लेकिन चलो कुछ ने उससे रट तो लिया रूल्स को, लेकिन उसका यूज़ कैसे करना है, कहाँ पर कौन सा टेंस यूज़ होगा सेंटेंसेस का, उसमें अभी भी आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो. तो यू हैव टू लर्न दीज यूसेज, ऑल द यूसेज ऑफ दीज टेंसेस, वेयर टू यूज़, किस तरीके के सेंटेंसेस में, किस तरह के टेंस में आपको, किस तरह के सेंटेंस में आपको किस तरीके, कौन सा वाला टेंस यूज़ करना है, राइट. तो वो आपको लर्न करना होगा. फाइन, ओके, बाय. टुमारो वी विल मीट विथ some other tense.